Hey, I'm Jared. I'm the sales manager at Ecostar Double Glazing. Today I'm going to run through with you one of the easiest ways to put our windows and doors in your home, and that is with Zip, the interest-free payment plan. So with Zip, there's a few things you have to do. You have to be over the age of 18. You need to own a mobile phone. You need to be a permanent resident or a citizen of Australia. And for the rest, our helpful sales team will guide you through every step of the process. They're not here only for their good looks. So with Zip, we have thousands of customers that have gone through the process with Zip, and it has helped them be able to put our windows into their home. And you are then able to pay your windows off interest-free for up to 60 months. It's super easy. Approval can happen within minutes. And myself and our team would love to help you through that process.
Get the best double glazing from the start.